So here's how to fix command prompt CMD not working or not opening. First, you'll need to open the task manager and search for Windows command processor. Now, if you don't see it running in here, that's fine. You can just skip this step. And if you do see it running, you can simply click on it and right click and end task. Now you can close this. Now you can come in here and search for CMD. Then right click run as admin and then confirm. That should run it as admin. Now the next solution is to create a shortcut to it. You can simply close this one and then right click new and then shortcut, and then here simply type cmd.exe, then next, and then finish, and you can simply right click and run this as admin and then confirm. That should open CMD again. Now if you can't open it with this method as well, what you can do is simply try to use another command prompt, for example PowerShell in here. You can run PowerShell as admin and you should run this repair command, scan sfc, I think it's sfc/scan now, and then hit enter and wait for it to scan the system and potentially repair any corrupted files. And once the scan is completed, you can try to run CMD again as admin and see if it works. What you can do as well is try to use the terminal from Windows 11 here. And if that still does not work, you can go to the settings and search for reset this PC, and then you can try to reset the PC, either removing all the files or keeping the personal files. You can also try to reinstall the latest updates that you've installed, or you can go back to the advanced startup menu and then go to the command prompt there and run the same command as in here, then wait for it to verify your system files and repair them, and that should generally solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.